Hello everybody, Road Philosophy Productions here, and today I'm on a not live, premiere video on Steam Z Productions. And right now I'm doing a little bit of a magic trick. As you can see, two of me is here. Now the way I do it, I have my main account on the computer and my second one on here too. Of course I can switch accounts on here too, but I do the one from the computer where it's easy to. Even though Freeman did the same thing on the other stream. So yeah, you can see me and the other me right there. This is just too good. I love this magic trick so much here. I'll do it straight. I want to do it again. What should I say now? Oh, I know. Other me, do you have popcorn? So yeah, Austin, Steve, any of you that's seen this trick just now, this is how I do it. I just explained it. Although you probably already guessed it. This one I'm gonna say next. Other me, do you have popcorn for this? Other me, do you have popcorn for this? There we go. Now I'm gonna go to the computer with my main account and just say, yes, I do. Here you go. This is just too rich. There I am. I could switch the camera and do this, but I'm not gonna bother. You guys probably already get it how it works, and I'm gonna be doing this for a little while. Now I'm gonna say, do you like my magic trick? Yeah, that's all I have to say. But yeah, this is Steam Z's Blood Steam Station. Well, actually, this is this in the W620. This video of the Northcon Transportation Museum when he what was it? Oh, but yeah, this is Steam Z at the Northcon Transportation Museum filming this little yard switcher. Looks like a tweet. What's that, Steve? Yeah, I just wanted to show this little magic trick. This is just too rich. That's magic for you. Right. I'm probably going to do one more than just call it a day. Wait, I have an even better idea. Guys, I'm literally recording this. Recording my magic trick right now. I can't wait to see the look on their faces. Let's see what their reaction. Oh, now I wanna. Sam, get off. It's just my puppy Sam looking at me. Alright, what should I say? A twin? Other me, you are? Yay! Yeah, that's what I'm just gonna say. I said yay wrong. Oh well, nobody's perfect. Oh, actually, I could just, where's the... Here we go. Yeah. Yay. Yeah, there we go. I have to correct myself. Steve says lol. This is too good. Alright, that was pretty much my last thing. You guys already know how it works, and those of you watching the stream right now at this time, you probably already know how it works and stuff. I just said how. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, oh yeah, and I'll show you how... What was it? 1 second. I remember now. You know what, guys? I'll just switch the camera and show you how I do. You've already seen me doing it from my second account on mobile. Now I'm just gonna go over and switch the camera app and show you me doing it from the other one. Well, speaking of which, it already ended, so yeah, I'll see you over there. As you can see here, there's my main account right there, and can I scroll? Yeah, I can. Yeah, you can see me right there, and Sam, get away. Where's the other me? I can't see. Right about... Yeah, there I am, which I just shown on mobile. So yeah, that was my magic trick while doing this. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!